Guys, welcome back to Steffi D Creates. It's almost 4th of July, and whether you are hosting a barbecue or just in charge of desserts, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy life hack for bringing the desserts to the party. Cupcake stands are either really cheap and you use them once, or really expensive and you can use them a long time. I'm going to show you a way to make a reusable cupcake stand for any type of party that will only cost you $5. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these awesome cupcake stands that you can decorate for any occasion. I'm going to show you how to decorate for 4th of July. Aren't these cute? Red, white, and blue cupcakes. If you're excited to see how to make this awesome reusable cupcake stand, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you always see new Steffi D Creates videos. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I love festivities and holidays and decorating for them. I can't wait to show you this life hack, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. 3 chargers, 2 candlesticks, a hot glue gun, tape and scissors, and some decorations. If you have time, you can start the project the night before your celebration and use a stronger glue like E6000, which needs overnight to dry. But if you're in a pinch for time, you can use your hot glue gun like I'm gonna show you how to do. Make sure you have washed and dried your chargers and candlesticks before you start. I've already washed mine, so we're gonna get started building it. We're gonna start by gluing our first candlestick to the middle of our first charger, right in the middle there. So we're gonna put hot glue along the bottom of the candlestick all the way around. Then carefully place it right in the center and hold it still until it dries. Give it about 10 seconds. While that dries, we're gonna move on and do the same thing with our second charger and second candlestick. You're gonna glue it right in the middle. Make sure you're going around the entire candlestick and that you have enough hot glue on there to keep it stuck. Place it right in the middle and then hold onto it for about 10 seconds or until it's dry. When it's dried, we're going to do a little bit more hot glue around the top of the candlestick. Then you're going to place your second charger on top of your first charger. Make sure that your candlesticks are all lined up and press down and hold it there for another 10 seconds. So far we have our 2 layers, so now we're just going to build our top layer. So you're going to do the same thing, put a little bit more hot glue on top of your candlestick, and then take your third charger, line it up, and place it right on top. Grip your candlestick and push it together. Now we have the base of our cupcake holder built, and the reason I chose gold and glass is because it's really easy to decorate for any occasion. You have a simple color base, so you can decorate it for birthdays, celebrations, Christmas, Hanukkah, 4th of July, and that's what we're gonna be doing. So because this video is right near 4th of July, we are going to decorate it for 4th of July. So I bought some simple garland, and we're just going to tape it around the edges of the platters. Starting with the top layer, I'm just going to line it up along the edge and put a little piece of tape on the end, and I'm just going to tuck it underneath, that way no one will see it. I'm going to wrap it around the charger and put about 5 or 6 pieces all the way around the charger. When you get all the way around, line it up to where you started and cut it off. Then move on to your second and third charger, decorating it all the way around the same way. All that's left to do is stack your cupcakes on and enjoy. Now that you have your super cute cupcake holders, you can use them for any occasion. Just take the bunting off and put a new decoration on it. Birthdays, anniversaries, Halloween, Christmas, it's totally up to you. If you make this for an occasion, don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag SteffiDCreates so I can see your awesome creations. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos, DIYs, life hacks, and more. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, upcoming projects, tips and tricks, sneak peeks. There's a lot on there. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I hope that you all have a very happy and safe 4th of July. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.